Welcome to our video. What is dropshipping? Simple guide for beginners. If you've ever wanted to start an online business without stocking products, packing boxes, or managing a warehouse, you're in the right place. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a simple business model where you sell products online without keeping any inventory. When someone orders from your store, you send that order to a supplier, and they ship the product directly to your customer. You make money from the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. How the process works. Here's dropshipping in 4 simple steps. You pick a product and list it on your website at your chosen price. A customer places an order and pays you first. You buy the product from your supplier at a lower price. The supplier ships the product straight to your customer, often with your branding if available. That's it. Why dropshipping is so popular? Dropshipping is popular because it eliminates the hardest parts of running an online store. Here's why beginners love it. No upfront inventory cost. Very low startup investment. Work from anywhere. Sell unlimited products from multiple suppliers. The downsides of dropshipping, but it's also important to understand the challenges. Lower profit margins due to high competition. Longer shipping times, especially with overseas suppliers. No control over quality since you don't handle the product. Customer support can get tricky, especially during delays. Is dropshipping worth it in 2026? Dropshipping still works in 2026, but only if you treat it like a real business. It works best when you pick a niche, choose reliable suppliers, offer unique products, and focus on building a long-term brand. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to begin your e-commerce journey. Start small, test products, and grow step by step. If you want more simple e-commerce guides like this, don't forget to follow.